A new day is here. Welcome. It's a delight to see you with a brand new slate wiped clean. Old things are passed away. Can't go back to yesterday. Tomorrow is 24 hours away. Today is what we have. Today we have new mercies to give to others. It is a gift from our Creator, a choice to forgive and release those from their inner prison, to be tender-hearted, to reach out with compassion, to touch people with love. I can't, you say. Yes, you're right, you can't. But the greater one in us can and will. When we realize, as the man called Paul did, that it's no longer I that live, but the risen Christ that lives in me. And the same Spirit that raised Christ from the dead lives in us and is empowering us to live. Therefore, today, what does God's Spirit want to do in and through you to make a difference in somebody's life?